Hi, I'm Shamal Das. I'm an animal nutritionist by profession and I live in Melbourne, Australia. And I have come this year for treatment of implantation. And when I say communication, I really mean the way, let's call the dental clinic staff communicates with the patients. So it's not the content, it's more the style, the way communications takes place. But I always found that when there is a single touch point, then that person of the clinic can interact with, I don't know, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 as many as patients. So that way a patient will feel that, oh, maybe I'll get some info from this person or that person. So that creates a bit of confusion for patients. So that's the only area I feel that the business can do. Otherwise, really, I'm happy on every other aspect of the business. I mean, the clinic and the service and these people, they are very qualified, highly qualified, and I have utmost regard for Dr. Nag. He is simply excellent. One of my friend who lives in Melbourne, he did probably 2019 some implantation work, and he was happy, and he's a senior friend of mine, and I have always valued people's opinion, and of course the person has to be a bona fide person to give a feedback. So I thought, well, this clinic has done such a good job for a friend of mine, so I thought I'll give it a go. So that's how both my wife and I have come first in February this year, 2023, and then we were required another visit in November of this year. In February, I stayed not far from the clinic. Look at Hyderabad is a good place, and Banjara Hills area is a very good place. Clinic is good, as I said, in terms of amenities, people interaction, comfort, it's all good. I'm satisfied with the work. As I said, each of the associates of Dr. Nag, so you call it prosthodontist or different areas, okay, they are all very skilled, they are highly skilled, and I found them, the work, each of them, whatever they do it well. And one thing I like about Dr. Nag is that he ensures that he is satisfied with the job that is done. I think that is, in my view, is very special. He understands that a patient or a person coming from 6,000, 10,000 kilometers goes satisfied. So that's I very much like his approach, his philosophy towards patient, and so on. So yeah, I'm glad. Like yesterday, I was pretty happy with the called the chewing surface, this and that. But this morning, Dr. Nag did some fine tuning, and yeah, it's all good. When I came to the clinic and I looked at his at his certificate that he is a fellow and diplomate of International Society of Implantologists in USA, but his skill is absolutely immense and top notch, which I can say because I am a professional in my own area. But I also liked his approach, that he want to ensure again that the patient goes with the way he wanted a patient to be done. It's a 10 out of 10. I believe he won't be happy with something 9 out of 10 or 9.5 out of 10. So he wants to ensure that he is completely satisfied. So he is a professional. One thing I like, that the person who has that qualification has to be absolutely happy, 10 out of 10 happy, and this is one area that I have utmost respect for Dr. Nag about this.